Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the user account control yes button is either missing or grayed out on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So for whatever reason, it's not allowing you to confirm or deny a request in order to access the user account control prompt. I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing, make sure you aren't using a standard user account. So if you're using a standard user account and you don't want to have this prompt that's not even allowing you to do yes or no, you want to go ahead and switch over to an administrative account on your computer. And one way you can determine that on Windows 11 at least, you can open up the search menu, type in computer management. Best match should come back with computer management. Go ahead and open that up. And if you select the local users and groups on the left side, and then double click on the users folder, you should see your accounts in here. And if you double click on whatever the account is that you're currently using, and then you select the member of, make sure it says administrators. If not, you may have to switch that or change it out. So if you had a standard user account, you could select the member of tab and then the add button. You would select the advanced button, select find now, and then you would select administrators and then select OK. Then you would select OK again. And it's already on the list because I'm already an administrator, but that's just how you could do it. That's just one thing to take a look at there. And if you're still having a problem, you can always temporarily, if you open up user account control settings here, and then just turn it down. Again, through an administrator account, and then you would go back to the standard account as well, and then see if that's still having the problem. But I just turned it off through the administrator account. You have the option. If you're still having a problem though, you can, regardless of whether it's a standard or administrator account, you could open up the search menu, select the power button, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. So you can hold down the shift key and then select restart. And you want to select the troubleshoot option, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. Go ahead and type in SFC and then a space /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to continue to Windows, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved as well. You can also look into performing a system restore back to an earlier time, as well as rolling back a recent update as well. So if you want to roll back an update or feature update through that screen we were just on, under troubleshooting, you could do that as well. And I have tutorials on my channel about how to roll back feature updates, so you can go ahead and search for that. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.